test drive the 2016 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, FWD, premium sound system, power windows, power door locks, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, push button start, privacy glass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.